last episode, we had some Korean dumplings for breakfast. Left the busy city of Seoul, arrived back on the Hangang bicycle path.
It's 3 times the size.
We saw a lot of fish. And I took a wrong turn and admired some beautiful flowers. Welcome to Hangang City. We're officially out of Seoul then. We're starting to see some bluer skies, not as much smog. The little bicycles on the fence, so cute. The bicycle path is split into here. On our side and going towards Seoul
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world and keep the sky on your mind.
There's our bridge, the gateway to the hills. So in actual fact, this is the bridge, not the one I just talked about, the nice low level one. This one with a great big steep climb to get up to it. What I was looking at was just the construction bridge. Today's the first day I've started to feel like summer's on its way. Thank you. Love you. Wait.
Here's the first tunnel. It's nice and cool. Today definitely feels like a summer's day.
Yeah.
I think it did say it was going to go up to 27 degrees. And I'm doing some serious sweating. Going up these inclines. Lovely cool breeze.
at this, look at this. Look at this. I'm running over people nearly, looking at the view. What do we have here? A restaurant. Oh, this is a pretty fancy restaurant. See, it's a little bit far away from where we want to stop. Do you want to get a cold drink? I believe a cold drink is in order. What a beautiful little pass just here. We're just at a little bit lost at the Bright Square certification box at the start of the... What was the name of this trip again? Bukhangang Dam Road. Anyway, our camp zone's somewhere around here tonight. Bird Alley. Lovers Lane. This looks like a nice bike path. It's like pink snow on the road.
So we've just pulled up for tonight. It is about 6:30 now. I'll quickly show you where we rode today. We started from the hotel, which is around here, so we sort of zigzagged through the streets of Seoul, went past the National Palace and got back onto the bicycle trail, the Hangang bicycle path.
Okay, so we've set up the tent. We arrived at this little spot at about 6:30. It is now 7 o'clock. Nicely tucked away just off the track, just up there underneath this great big bridge. Let's hope there's no trolls hanging around tonight. It took us most of an hour to find a decent spot to park. Bikes are all locked up to the tree. This is the river we're parked beside. All in all, if every camp spot's as good as this one, it'll be happy days.